Hello, and welcome. If you are watching this video, you're probably ready to start learning with us but want to make sure you know exactly how the process works. This guide is designed to walk you through every single step, from finding the right course to logging in and accessing your materials for the very first time. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and going to itmadacademy.com. Once you are on the home page, look at the top of the screen. You'll find a search bar. If you already know exactly what course you want, simply type the name here and it will take you directly to it. If you want to explore, you can scroll down to see all available courses. You can also use the header menu to filter by category. For example, click on Auditing courses or Implemented courses to see only those specific types of programs. Now, let's look at the course page. At the very top, you will see all the basic information you need at a glance. Things like course duration, total lessons, quizzes, skill level, certificate validity, whether it is lifetime access, and who the course is accredited by. Right next to that, you will also find the price. If you scroll down a little, you will see the description tab. Click on this to read more general details, for example, who this course is for, what the course covers, the key benefits, career and future scope, and the exam and passing policy. Below that, you will find the FAQ section where common questions are answered clearly. Finally, click on the Course Details tab. Here you can see the full breakdown of what is covered in the course. You will also find a sample or preview of the certificate. Simply click on the certificate image to enlarge it and see exactly what you will receive upon completion. Once you have reviewed all the course details and are ready to enroll, simply click the Add to Cart button. You can add a single course or continue browsing and add multiple courses to your cart. All of them can be purchased together in one single transaction. When you are done adding courses, click on the cart icon and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, if you already have an account with Itmad Academy or have purchased from us before, you can log in first. Below that, if you have a discount coupon, enter it here and apply it to your order. Next, fill in your billing details carefully. Make sure your email ID is 100% accurate. This is extremely important because all further communication, including your login details and course access information, will be sent to this email address. There is also a birthday field. If you wish to receive special birthday gifts from us, feel free to add your date of birth here. You will see multiple payment options available. Choose the one that suits you best, whether it is bank transfer, credit or debit card, or paying in installments. Before you place your order, you must agree to our terms and conditions and policies. We encourage you to read them carefully. Once you are ready, click the button to place your order. Immediately after placing your order, you will receive an email with your order details. This is the order received confirmation. At this stage, your order is in a freezing time while our enrollment officer reviews your details and verifies the payment status. Once everything is confirmed, you will receive a second email with order completion. Within 6 to 24 hours, you will get another email containing your account creation details, including your username, password, and the login link to access the learning platform. Any further emails related to your enrollment will also be sent to this same email ID. Once you receive your login credentials, go to itmadacademy.com, log in using the username and password provided, and click on My Courses. You will find all your enrolled courses there, ready to start. If you are new to our learning platform and want to understand how to complete a course, how exams work, or how your certificate is awarded, there is another video available on the home screen of Learning Platform. That video walks you through everything inside the learning platform in detail. Thank you for choosing Itmad Academy. We are excited to have you on board and wish you success in your learning journey.